はい、皆さん、こんにちは。今日もよろしくお願いします。はい、一緒に日本語を勉強しましょうね。皆さんអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា everyone 皆さん静かにしてくださいអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្ងៀមស្ងាត់ everyone please be quiet and then so yes Zenin អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា or この生徒は全員合格しましたសិស្សនៅទីនេះបានប្រឡងជាប់ទាំងអស់គ្នា all our student here pass yes all our student here pass hito គឺមនុស្ស person その人はどんな人ですかその人はどんな人ですかតើគាត់នោះជាមនុស្សបែបណា who's that person តើគាត់មនុស្សគឺជាមនុស្សបែបណាដែរ otoko noko ក្មេងប្រុសមនុស្សប្រុសឬក៏ boy 男の子をしていますか男の子をしていますかតើអ្នកស្គាល់ក្មេងប្រុសនោះទេ Do you know that boy Dance មនុស្សប្រុស man 私の周りには若い男性がいないですនៅជុំវិញអ្នកដែលខ្ញុំស្គាល់មិនមានបរិសុទ្ធដែលរៀងក្មេងទេ There's no young man around here សុទ្ធតែចាស់Jose ភេទស្រីមនុស្សស្រី woman Donna hito desta ka Siranai Jose desta តើជាមនុស្សបែបណាជាមនុស្សស្រីដែលខ្ញុំមិនស្គាល់ What kind of person was she A lady I don't know was she a question taken What kind of person was she A lady I don't know Otona មនុស្សពេញវ័យ Ada Mo大人なんだから自分で決めなさいもう大人なんだから自分で決めなさいសូមសម្រេចចិត្តដោយខ្លួនឯងទៅព្រោះអ្នកគឺជាមនុស្សពេញវ័យហើយអញ្ចឹងធ្វើឲ្យខ្លួនឯងចេះគិតខ្លួនឯង You are already another make up your own about it You are already another make up your own about it make up your decision don't wait anyone កូរ៉ាម៉ូកូនក្មេងកុមារ child これは子供が読む本じゃないសិភៅនេះមិនមែនសម្រាប់កុមារអានទេ This not a book for children This isn't a book for children សិភៅនេះមិនមែនសម្រាប់កុមារអានទេគឺសម្រាប់ Ada Otosiyori មនុស្សចាស់ elderly person Otosiyori 大丈夫かなមនុស្សចាស់នោះមិនអីទេ I wonder is that elderly person is okay no problem ឈីឪពុកឬក៏ប៉ា my father私の父は普通の会社員です私の父は普通の会社員ですឪពុករបស់ខ្ញុំគឺជាបុគ្គលិកក្រុមហ៊ុនធម្មតានោះ My father is a actual company employee Okay sorry ね company ដាក់ពីរដងじゃあ皆さんもう一回一緒に日本語と英語話しましょうね皆さん everyone 皆さん静かにしてください everyone please be quiet 全員この生徒は全員合格しました all our student here pass 人 person その人はどんな人ですか Who's that person 男の子 boy 男の子をしていますか Do you know that boy?男性 man 私の周りには若い男性がいないです。There's no young man around here. 女性 woman どんな人でしたか知らない女性でした。What kind of person was he? A lady I don't know. 大人枝もう大人なんだから自分で決めなさい。Please decide another, make up your own about it. You are already another, please decide by yourself. Don't wait anyone decide for you. 子供 child これは子供読む本じゃない。This isn't a book for child. お年寄り elderly person お年寄り大丈夫かな I wonder is that elderly person is okay? 父 my father 私の父は普通会社員です。My father is regular company employee. It is that simple. Okay, thank you everyone that watching my video. はい、皆さんお疲れ様でした。バイバイ。